Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the radish leaves. In fact, I'm going to show you a recipe because I've observed people throw away the radish leaves and just use the mooli. But radish leaves are so important because they are not only anti-cancer food, but they help to reduce your blood pressure, your blood sugar, aids in weight loss, and keep your gut healthy, which is very important. So please think 10 times before throwing these leaves in the bin. So let's start with this Gujarati dish, which is one pot dish, which is very nutrient and very cost effective and time effective. Chop the leaves. Knead a dough with jwar ka atta, bajre ka atta, all the spices, and also methi leaves. As I said, it's a one pot nutritive dish, so I've tried to incorporate all the leaves. I have knead the dough with the normal water and make doklis with just your fingers. It's very easy to make, thin and small. You can even make smaller than this, mine a little bigger. And then take little ghee and saute the green chilies. I normally make these traditional recipes in the earthen clay pot because they tend to make our food very alkaline. Now also add the radish leaves and try to just saute it. It may take just say 4 to 5 minutes to get sauteed. Yes, the aroma is excellent when you use the earthen pots. Mitti ki khushboo aati hai literally from the food, and I love that. Now transfer the leaves into an empty bowl and start say 2 glasses of water in the pot. Once it starts boiling, start adding these doklis which we have made. Add all the doklis at this point, but make sure that once it starts boiling, then add it. We can to enhance the process, to accelerate it, we can also cover it with the lid so that the doklis can get cooked properly. So let's cover it with the lid. It may take 5 to 7 minutes to get cooked. No, you need to check it. Like you can break one of the doklis and see if it gets easily. See, here it goes, so soft. It shows that all the doklis are cooked properly. You can add masalas like haldi, red chili powder, and salt to taste. As I said, it's a very easy dish. It may not take even 20 minutes to get done. After adding the doklis and all the masalas, let's add the sauteed radish leaves. Wow, it's so colorful and the aroma is excellent. Guys, you have to make it. It's that not only nutritive but very easy to make, cost effective, time effective. Let's cover it so that it gets mixed properly. Here it is, it's almost ready. I have also added few radish, finely chopped radish, to add more colors, to add more nutrients. Radish takes say next 5 minutes to get cooked. So the recipe is almost done within 5-7 minutes, and it's ready to get served. Enjoy.